Students, let's discuss future perfect tense. Okay, means how to change the sentences of future perfect tense into passive. The structure is here: subject, will, shall plus have plus third form of verb plus object. And when you will change it into passive, object of active voice will become new subject. Then according to the new subject we are to use helping verb, either will or shall, whatever. Then have. Then to make the sentence passive we are to use been. Then in passive we know that we are to use only third form of verb, then by, and the subject of active voice will become new object in passive. Is it clear? Now see the sentence: she will have cooked the meal. She will have cooked the meal. First find out what is subject here: she. Then helping verb will, have. Third form of verb cooked. Then object the meal. It means the object will become new subject now in passive. So what is the new subject? The meal. According to subject we are to use helping verb. Which helping verb will be used? Will, have. Then to make it passive we are to use been. Then third form of verb, it is already given, cooked. And before you make the subject of active new object in passive, we are to use by, and she will change into her. So like this you are to change active into passive. Now next we shall discuss negative sentence. The structure for negative sentence is subject plus will, shall plus not plus have plus third form of verb plus object. When you will make it passive, object will become new subject, and then will, shall, then not, it will come with helping verb, you know it very well, then have, then been, then third form of verb, then new object. Now see the sentence: she will not have cooked the meal. What is the object here? The meal. It will become new subject. The meal, with it we are to use will. The meal will, as it is negative sentence, so not will come. Not, have, to make it passive, been, third form of verb, cooked. And before you change the subject of active, subject of active will become new object in passive. Before that we are to use by, and she will become her. So the meal will not have been cooked by her. Is it clear? Now we shall move towards interrogative sentence. The structure for interrogative sentence in active voice is will, shall, according to the subject, right? Then subject, then have, then third form of verb and object. What will be the structure in passive now? According to the new subject we are to use will or shall, then new subject, then have, then been, then third form of verb, then by, and then new object. Now the sentence is: will she have cooked the meal? So it is interrogative sentence, so helping verb will be used in the beginning. Will, then the object of active voice will become new subject in passive. Will the meal have, now we are to make passive, so been will be used. Will the meal have been, third form of verb, cooked. And before you change the subject of active voice as new object in passive, before that we are to use by, she will change into her. So the answer will be, or you can say passive voice will be, will the meal have been cooked by her. Is it clear, sir? Is it clear, dear students? Remember, you must keep the structure in your mind. And now I will send you some mixed sentences and you are to change them into passive. And if you have any doubt, you are free to contact me. Thank you.